Hello everyone, good morning, good evening or good afternoon. I have my helper here. We are here at Bright Kids Garden. You are at home. I hope you're having a good time. I hope you're looking after yourself. I hope you're getting plenty of sleep and drinking plenty of water because it's getting a little bit hot. Okay, we are going to do a craft lesson. We're going to do some craft. I've been looking forward to this. I was telling all the other teachers I'm looking forward to this so much. Okay. I have here the pack, so take out your pack. Came in the mailbox. Okay, you should have your pack. Now in your pack you'll find a little sort of pack like this, a little envelope, a clear bag. It's a little bag, you can unseal it like that, and there's some things in here to help us do our craft. Okay, so you can take out, now from here we don't need our string or our wool. We might have some string or wool. Now we don't need our paper clip, so you can put that back in and seal that back up, put that away. Okay, so what we need are these eyes here, and we need the paper here. So have a good look. That's actually sort of some tape. It's sort of tape, it sticks. Okay, so our eyes and the red tape there. Now from home you're also going to need some scissors. Pair of scissors, and you're just going to need a pencil as well, and you need a toilet roll. Now it doesn't matter whether it's brown or white or any color really, whichever toilet roll you have at home, that's fine. I might use I think I might use the brown one. Okay, my helper over there, which one are you going to use there? Oh, she's using the white one. Okay, so it doesn't matter, you can use whichever one you want. And you'll also just need your felt pens, okay? So you'll need those, and they're in your pack. We sent those home with you as well. Okay, this is what we're going to do. We are going to make a spider. Wow, a spider. Don't be scared, don't be scared. Okay, I have my helper here. We're both going to make our spiders. Now, you start by taking your pencil and you draw a line all the way around. Now, not in the middle, not right at the top, not right at the bottom, just sort of near the top. So near the top. Okay, not in the middle, not in the top, just about there. Now, if you've got more than one toilet roll, if you've got more toilet rolls, you could try making a couple, and you could try putting your line in a different place maybe. Okay, make the line there. Is my helper there? Oh yes, she's done it. So there we go. Okay, now what you do is you take your scissors. Now be very careful with scissors because they're very sharp, so you don't want to cut yourself. So only touch the bottom, so keep your hand well away. So maybe put your hand at the top. And we're going to cut some strips. So we cut up like that. Now we stop when we get to the line. We don't want to go past the line. Okay, so we cut them like that. And now I'm not too sure how big to make them, how thick to make them. I'm going to do mine a bit like that. How's my helper? Yeah, she's got hers. Okay, and we keep going all the way around. Okay, so we keep going all the way around. Try to make them as thick as each other. You don't want a really fat one there and a thin one there. Try to make them the same thickness. Okay, it might be a little bit tricky. And then stop at the line. Okay, and keep going. How are we doing there? Oh, very good. Very good, we're both doing them. Now, you've probably already figured out these are going to be our legs for our spider. These are going to be our legs. So, does everybody know how many legs we need for the spider? Keep going. Oh. How many is that? That's right, if you said 8, you're right, you need 8 legs. Okay, so, how many have you got there? Count how many legs you've got, guys. You can bend them out, so maybe, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I've done 12. I've done 12. I need 8. So let me see. I need to cut. So I've got 8. How many too many? I've got too many. So 8, and I've got 12. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. I've got 4 too many. I need to lose 4 legs. Okay, I need to lose 4. How many of you got there? Oh, you just need to lose 1 on each side? Okay, so I need to lose 4. So I'm going to cut off 2 from this side and 2 from that side. So if you've got too many legs, cut them off from either side. Okay, so get your scissors. 1, 2, and then this side. 3, 4. There we go. 12, take 4. I should now have 8. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 8 there. 6, 7, 8. Perfect. 8 and 8. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to bend our legs a little bit. So you take your legs and you sort of bend them out however you want. Okay, so you bend them, and that means our spider will be able to stand up properly. Now I'm just going to do them like this, but my helper might want to... Oh, she's doing hers very good. Oh, mine are a bit boring, but you might want to do them a little bit better like this. Wow, that's a good idea. Okay, so she's bending hers up and sort of out. Wow. Okay, however you want to do it. Okay, and that means your spider can stand up. Okay, I've done mine like that. Let me see. Oh, okay. It doesn't matter. That's good enough. I think that's okay for me. How are we doing there? Oh, very good. Wow. Okay, so if you want to keep it simple, you can do it this way. If you want to make it a little bit better, you can do it that way. Okay, so watch how she's bending it there. Okay, so you sort of bend it up and then out and then in. You see how she's done that? Oh, wow. Here we go. Wow, which one looks the best? Which one looks the best? This one? Does everyone think this one? No, I think it's this one, isn't it? Okay, but it doesn't matter. If you've done yours like this, that's fine. If you've done yours like that, that's also fine. Okay, so we've got our spiders here. What are they missing? What do they need on the front of their faces here? Oh, they need these. Oh, they need these. What are they? Yes, they need their eyes. You need to put some eyes on them. Okay, so in your pack, you've got your eyes. So take out your eyes. Now, these are very special because all you have to do is take them off like that, and you don't actually need any glue. You can just put them on the front. Now, you want to put it where the space is. Okay, so one eye there. Ooh, looks a bit strange now with one eye. And another eye like that. Okay, he's got 2 eyes, or it could be a she, might be a boy or a girl. Okay, so got our spider with our eyes. Oh, so you can do them on like horizontally, we call that, or you can do them vertically, like my helper's done. Okay, now if you want, okay, needs one of these things. So if you want, you can do a little nose. You can do a nose if you want, but I'm not going to do a nose. I'm going to miss the nose, but I'm going to do this. So my spider can eat and my spider can smile. What do I need here? That's right, I need a mouth. Now, if you wanted to, you could just use one of your felt pens and you could just draw on a mouth, okay? But what we're going to do, we're going to be tricky. We're going to use a special sticky tape here. Okay, so now this one, you might need some help, especially if you're little, because it could be a little bit tricky. So if you're only little, maybe get mummy or daddy or grandma or granddad to help you. And however you think you can do your mouth, it doesn't really matter. I'm sort of going to do mine like that. I'm just going to do a little mouth. You might want to do a big mouth. And let's see if I've got a mouth there. Oh, there we go. Oh, fell off. There we go. So I've done something like that. It's my mouth. Let's get my helper there. Ooh, okay, she's done a big mouth. I've done a little mouth. Okay, there's one mouth there, another mouth. You can do it however you want, really. You might just want to do a mouth like this, just like a rectangle. You might just want to do a rectangle. Whatever you want, whatever you want. If you do more than one, you can do more than one mouth. It's up to you. Okay, now this part is a little bit tricky. You might need fingernails because you have to try to peel off the back. Now, I don't have very big fingernails, so it's a little bit tricky. Oh, I got it. Okay, and then we stick on our mouth. Wow, there we go. Well, they're both looking very good, aren't they? They're both looking very good. Okay, there we go. My brown one. I think mine has what you call character. This one's very good. This one has character. Okay, so now all that's left is for you to decorate it. You can decorate it. You can get out your felt pens, or if you've got some pencils at home, you could do that. And now you can decorate it however you want. You might want to put some spots on its legs, like this. You might want to colour in the whole thing. You might want to do some colouring, and I'm colouring mine red. Or if you want a grey spider, you could go around and colour your spider nice and grey. You could do some zigzags. Whatever you really want to do, whatever you want to do with your spider, okay, you can decorate it. So my helper's going to decorate it as well. Now, if you're not too sure, if you want some ideas, we have a sheet of paper here where they've put some spiders on. They've made some spiders and they've decorated them. So let's see what they've done here. So this spider here is sort of brown. Sort of looks dirty, doesn't it? They've sort of made it look like a dirty spider. Or maybe he's been outside getting dirty. Might have been in his spider's web or her spider web. Okay, so now they coloured theirs black by the looks of things here. This one's coloured black and they've put some red spots on. Red spots. Okay, you might want to do that. This spider here, what have they done? Let's see. They've coloured the spider grey. They've coloured it grey. And they've put some blue feet on the bottom of the spider. Okay, he's got a big smile on his face there, or her face. And they've done their legs a little bit differently as well. This one's legs are stretched out. This one's legs are nice and bent. And this one's legs are, oh, very, very straight. Makes it a little bit taller. That one's a little bit taller. And this one's very short because the legs are straight. So you can decorate it with your coloured pens however you want. You might have other things at home you can decorate it with. It's up to you. Okay, and that's how we have made our spiders. So I'm going to go and decorate mine, and my helper's going to decorate hers as well. So if yours looks like this, well done. And if yours looks like this, well done as well. Wow. Okay. Everyone, once you're finished, you might even want to put some string on it. It's up to you. But there are spiders that we did. If you want to take a photograph, if you want to take a picture of your spider and maybe send it to Bright Kids Garden, send it to the email, we might even be able to put it on the website. Okay, so there's our spider. I hope you had a lot of fun, and I hope you're going to enjoy doing that. Good luck, everyone. Look after yourselves, and we'll see you again really, really soon. Okay, bye-bye.